Hello guys. Sorry. Hello guys. Hope you guys can hear me. I hope we are live as well. Hello guys. Let me check if we are live, and then we will go straight away to the charts. Try to understand certain levels on a market. I have not seen the market since morning. I was at gym. Hello guys. Yeah, I feel like everything is fine. Yep, I think everything is fine now. We're live. Um, Market has just opened. If you watch it right now, this is 9:35, 5 minutes already in. Um, I was anticipating initially just before the opening and new day opening. Sorry, new session opening candle. I was more for like if it like anticipating market was trading at this range, like those highs could be the reason for the market to be bullish. The very obvious high seems to me very obvious high. These highs and maybe continuation toward upper side. Short term time frame I'm talking about. We will go to bigger picture time frame as well, try to understand everything. And if not, we will see if it has a potential, because on all of those charts, these two high was quite seems to me obvious that that could have been knocked. I was like anticipating, but this has already happened before the opening. This is 15-minute time frame as well chart. So maybe couple of scenarios we really have to discuss right now or try to understand things. So we have on shorter term time frame, we have these lows in play, these two lows that could be the reason for the market to be bearish. These are 4 hour time frame lows as well. These are the 4 hour time frame lows as well. 1 2 3 two lows could be the reason for the market to be bearish. If you watch out this 4 hour time frame, market has already disrupted all of those three previous highs. If it has to knock these two lows, it should not have to go above this high, this high which is this high, and then come down. Try to knock all of 1 2 3 lows as well. Try to knock third as well. These two low, we are aiming for the market to be for the bearish case scenario on a charts to be knocked off. For the bullish case scenario, if you watch out, we closed bullish yesterday, open, go down a little bit. Market, this is a low level of the day weekly fair value gap right now we're trading at. If you watch out right now, at this range, more for like we can say that for now, market is seems to me that it is holding this range. It is possible that it could continue to hold this A range, then go up. It has already knocked the previous daily high as well, and we can anticipate a bullish price action toward upper side, maybe to the low of this daily fair value gap low, maybe that low as well, maybe 50% of the range as well. Or the third possibility, I'm anticipating a complete choppy price action from the market. A complete choppy price action from the market we can also anticipate and predict from the market. Let me do this refresh on this calendar. We have I think news today. Now we have a news today. This is today's Wednesday. Oh, today's Wednesday, no? Today is Wednesday. We have this news at 3 p.m. jobs opening. So we have to person observe that news as well. And also non-farm employment change we have at 4th of September, and we have tomorrow big news. Uh, Thursday and Friday we have quite big news coming up on our charts. So the third possible, that's why, because we have not really a big news today, and market is more of like trading overall. If you watch out like that daily time frame, we are not really defined like which high could be knocked. The previous daily high is this one which has not been knocked. Maybe possible, maybe this high possible, maybe not. or previous this daily high which has already been knocked. Low is all the way down this range which has not been knocked. I'm talking about that. So we are more of like trading inside a big range, if we can say like that. And overall, we're trading at lower level of the weekly fair gap as well. We are, if you watch out this structure, if you watch out this structure, market is already creating low highs and already going down from here. After previous all-time high, we have seen that. So at this range, not to go above the high, we can anticipate a lower high and then continuation toward downside as well from here, which is also a concerning thing I am thinking about from the charts that may play it out as well. And all the second reason is that from here market could get low high then go down. I'm not at all really confident on these three lows daily time frame. If you watch out closely on 4 hour time frame, short term time frame, I'll show you these lows are quite obvious to me that market will send the price toward low levels. Maybe look at these lows. I'm not at all confident on all of those lows. These all lows. Not at all confident on all of those lows. So smart money knew that they could send the price toward low levels from here to knock all of those lows. Maybe this can happen today. Maybe this can happen next week, because I'm anticipating this big downside projection for the market this month. The reason is this is the month of September. We have seen many times market has a huge volatility toward upside and downside. Market will do irrational things. We will not understand or predict that it could do this, but because of news something like that, it will be more for like going down or maybe go up unexpectedly, going down unexpectedly. So that's why September is always this kind of month I have seen so many times. So that's why I'm anticipating on a bigger picture time frame we can anticipate all of those lows to for the reason for the market to be bearish and continuation toward low levels as well from here. This is what it is I'm thinking about right now. If you watch out on daily time frame so far, because today is not really a big news day. Day tomorrow we have a big news coming up, and also Friday as well we have a big news coming up. We have seen many times a day before the news market remain more of a like a sideways or choppy. The day before big news, I would say that market remain sideways and choppy as well. This is the also concerned thing I am thinking about right now. Today market maybe remain choppy for a whole day. Tomorrow we can anticipate volatility on a charts. Next day as well volatility on a charts, and maybe from the next week market may be looking to knock all of those previous lows, which is what I have just explained to you. These are bigger picture time frame lows, so it could take some time to knock or come down to knock all of those lows as well. So far, if you watch out for the bullish case scenario, is the reason market has come back inside this weekly fair gap low. It is holding this range. If it continue to hold this range, it could be bullish as well for all of those highs. This range may be continuation toward upper side as well. Because overall on a weekly time frame as well, if you try to understand the market, we are still bullish. These are the previous lows on the market is still trading above the previous lows. It is still possible it could be continue to be bullish from here, creating lower high from here. So this is what it is. I am in a more of like concern thinking about from the charts right now. Bigger picture time frame, weekly time frame, we are already bullish. We come back inside the weekly fair value gap. We could be continue to be bullish from here. Possible. In that case scenario, it should have to hold this range and not to go below this low. Maybe create daily fair value gap in here, keeping this value gap open, which would be great. From here, go to the 50% of the range, upper level, or and all the way to that range as well. This is what it is I'm looking for the bullish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, this structure is bearish. We are creating low high going down. We are anticipating market not to go above the previous high, create local top at this range, and then try to come down for all of those lows, which is just I have explained to you. I'm not at all very much confident on all of those lows as well. So this is what it is on 4 hour time frame. If you watch out right now, we have nothing on a chart really. We are creating low high, low high, low high in here, and maybe possible we could be, because we hold this weekly fairly gap, we have seen that this week we could be continue to be bullish from here to all of those highs. If these highs could be knocked, it could go to 50% of the daily fairly gap as well. This is more of like a concerned thing I am thinking about right now. Maybe continuation toward upper side. Though if those highs could be knocked, market could go to the 50% of the range as well, which is also possible. For the bearish case scenario, if you watch out right now, maybe it just have to disrupt all of those highs, and then after that, market continue to be. Uh, maybe it has to just disrupt these highs. At this range overall, we are already bearish, looking for the market to go down, create local top. Maybe just knock those highs, previous high, this high could be the top on the market from here. Market will be bearish. Maybe it is also possible that it is creating a low high. This range just could come down, create another low high, then go up as well from here. We'll see if market after that continue to be bullish, or maybe just create high and then try to come down as well. We will be looking for all of those lows to be knocked off for the bearish case scenario on charts. So let this is a thing I'm in a more of like concern thinking about right now from charts. If you watch out just after the opening, but this is a choppy price action. I can say that this is a choppy price action from the charts. Market has not really given us anything for now. This at this point, market open this point 9:30, 9:30 at this range. So till now, market has just opened, gone up a little bit, just then go down, then trying to go toward the upside from here. Let's see, because this local structure of the market is more of like bullish, more of like this local trend of the market is bullish. I'm anticipating from the market to create lower high at this range and try to bullish to knock the previous high and go lower level of the week daily fairly gap, or maybe the 50% of the, maybe just will be realistic on our target. So I will be aiming for just low level of the daily fairly gap. This is what it is I am watching and observing from the charts right now. So it is going up, trying to go to the upper side, which is good. We're not trading anything. We're not chasing the market right now. Till now, we are not obvious that which way market will go. We are just anticipating or predicting the market that it could perform like this. So as I was just telling you, it's just going up, just going down. A market not to go below this low. Create fairly gap in here. Just tap into this, not to go below this low as well. From here, we are anticipating this high and this low. This high has been knocked. I'm looking for this daily low on charts right now, 1 or 12K from here. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. So most of the time we'll be just watching and observing and sitting on it in front of the charts. We don't need this daily high now. For now, don't need this. It is also possible that market could create lower high at this range, then come down and create lower high at this range to create higher low at this range, and could come down, may not be aggressively bearish. This may not happen, and then hold this area at above those lows, and then we'll see if market make a retest and then continue to be bullish, or just show rejection from this range and then continue to be very bearish as well. This is also possible. We can not deny about from the market. So yeah, that's how it is. 4 hour time frame, we have seen that for the bullish case scenario. Yeah, so we have created these three, left these three highs on charts on 4 hour time frame. Next 4 hour time frame open, go down. We are anticipating not to go below the previous 4 hour time frame below. It did not went down from here to went up to disrupt all of these three highs. And we are anticipating continuation toward upper side to 1 or 12K from here. Let's see if it has a potential to do this. In that case scenario, it should not have to go below this low. This is 1 minute time frame value gap. Market just happened to this, and we have seen another 1 minute time frame value gap in here. Market just happened to this. We are anticipating 1 or 12 came from here. At this range, we'll see if market try to continue to be bullish to 50% of the range, or maybe remain sideways or choppy at this range and then try to go down as well, which is also possible. Just watching and observing the charts for now, sitting still, doing nothing, not chasing the market. If we talk about yesterday, oh my god, yesterday it was a very good long at this range. It was just when it happened to just this high on charts. I was looking for this high, and it has gone way toward upper side and it gave us $1,000 move on charts. More than $1,000 move. I missed this trade yesterday. I'm really missed this trade yesterday, and it was because of my own personal reason. I would say that, yeah. Just because of I was not really focused on charts. I was focused on my focus was more of like on irrational things. In my mind, there was more of like irrational things going on. I was just watching the charts randomly, but I was not pushing myself to be remain in front of the charts to focus on the market. So that's why I hurt myself. So far, the way market has opened, it is more of like a choppy price action from charts till now. So I'm not chasing the market, not going down for any kind of trade till now. And we can anticipate that this for our this session, morning session, afternoon session, market could remain completely choppy. It may not do nothing on charts. Yes, Monday as well, it has done the same thing. Today to Tuesday, it was a very good long. I missed this trade. Wednesday, I'm anticipating a choppy price action from charts again. The reason is we have big news coming up tomorrow and after day tomorrow as well. That's why. Let's see how it goes. So guys, hello. So I'm anticipating this high and 112K from here, which is a low level of the daily favor gap as well. Let's see if it has the potential to do that. So I'm anticipating this high and 112K from here, which as well. Let's see if it has the potential to do that. And the second thing I'm thinking about right now is this is a complete choppy price action from charts till now. A complete choppy price action from the market till now. I would say that. Just checking if you guys can hear me. The reason is I would say I'm sitting still, not doing anything. You can guess from like I have not taken any trade on Monday. I have not taken any trade on Tuesday. I missed this trade on Tuesday. I was like, no, I'm not chasing the market. Missed this trade. Fine. We'll come back stronger. Because it was my fault. I was living in hindsight, but not in focus on charts. Missed the trade. I was like, bro, I'm not chasing the charts right now. We'll come back stronger. Today, till now, the way market is open, there is no trade for me right now. Just watching and observing. The thing is, the reason I'm thinking about more of like this kind of projection may continue this morning session and afternoon session, maybe this after Asian or London session as well, because tomorrow we have a big news coming up, which is non-farm employment, and Thursday we have Thursday and Friday we have news coming up, non-farm employment change and for unemployment claims tomorrow, and Friday as well we have big news coming up. And I want to see for the next week, CPI, PPI, there will be huge volatility next week as well. And of the very next week after that, we will have FOMC. I think so. So I'm already anticipating today a choppy projection. The reason is we have like 3 o'clock. We have a news. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Today we have 3 o'clock news. Today is when I say three jobs opening. Yeah, this is 7 million. So I'm not sure about the numbers. I don't care about the numbers. So 3 o'clock. What market has done on 3 o'clock? If you try to figure out 3 o'clock, it was this. No, it was this candle. Yeah, it was just this green candle. Market has formed in this after 3 o'clock at the exact 3 o'clock, which is 10 o'clock in New York time. But if you watch this candle, like, can you see a big volatility, like all the way to the upper side, or big volatility to an downside? No, this is just a random candle market has formed. You can guess from just this candle that market really did not wants to do anything. It seems to me like that for now. That market really did not want to do like that. So that's why I'm very much content with very small amount of you can in those kind of trades you can trade. Choppy price section does not mean you can't trade anything. You can trade, but in that case scenario, you have to just do a quick scalp in and out. Where start stop loss. That's it. You can do that. So many people I've seen that they have done this. So we are anticipating that maybe, for example, because this for the bearish case scenario, for example, if we are anticipating these lows, I'm not confident in all of those lows. So we have a possibility from here roll down, or maybe try to disrupt this high 112K rejection from that range and then go down. Yep. Let's see if it has a potential. This is 1 hour time frame, market open. 1 hour time frame. Do you think market has a potential to come down to disrupt this low, and maybe this low as well? Maybe, maybe not. We don't know. We are just looking for 10 9 50, which is this one. 10 11 what is this low? 10 and 9. For example, 11 approximately. 111 approximately. So this is the low. Do you think this 30-minute time frame market has a potential to disrupt these three lows? Possible. 15-minute time frame, yeah, possible. It's in that case, it should not have to go above this high, which is these highs. So I'm anticipating from here continuation toward downside to all of those lows, and we'll see after knocking all of those lows if market continue to be bearish to this area. Maybe try to disrupt these lows as well. Try to disrupt these lows as well. Maybe holding this range, then try to be bullish. Like couple of possibilities, we have many possibilities. Like if you can say that we have many possibilities that may play out in this range. Rating low high this range, low high this range, low high at this range. We have quite a bit of possibilities in this range from the market to be knocked off or to be played out. We cannot deny about that. So in that case scenario, when you don't know, when you have too many possibilities and the probabilities, you're in confusion, sit still, watch, observe. So I'm anticipating keeping this 1 minute time frame fair value gap open, keeping this 1 minute time frame creating fair value gap in here, and then tends to be bearish for just these two lows. That's it, which is what possible. Which is not like a very big target I'm aiming for. Just anticipating. I'm not taking any kind of trade till now. Not taking a trade. Not taking this trade. I would say not taking this trade. I will tell you why I'm not taking this trade. Yeah, maybe possible that from here market disrupt these lows and then this low and then these lows as well. Possible. We could possibly disrupt all of those lows. We cannot deny this. Maybe at this range and then come down and then continue, come back inside this range and then continue to be bearish from here. Who knows? Maybe it could just come down, try to hold this area, create another low high this range, and then for the ultimate bearish case scenario, this is possible. Maybe come down, just hold this area and then create low high again in here. The beta is creating in here, then try to be bullish, which is also possible as well. We can not deny about this. So this is the 15-minute time frame. I'm anticipating these lows. Maybe after that continuation toward low levels for this low. Not aiming for these lows. Let's see. So far, market has respected the anticipation we have on it. After that, we have these lows. I think so. This is the 15-minute time frame for low. Yeah, this we have 15-minute time frame gap in here as well. So I'm anticipating market should have to keep this fair value gap open. Maybe just create a wick at this range, create a wick at this fair value gap, and then be bearish to disrupt this low, and this two lines, these three lines I'm looking for. 1010 800 from here. And it is likely possibility that market remains choppy or maybe very slow, may not go down, which is also a concern. The price action we have to keep in mind the way market has opened, and I can be able to see a volatility on a charts. Still leaning very short now. Still, I'm anticipating not to go above this high for all of those lows. Just watching and observing right now, doing nothing. If it 11 at 11 o'clock, When market do nothing, I may just close this live stream and then went for an hour for sleep. We'll see after that. I'll come back for an afternoon session. So I just I'm off from my job today, so I'll have a time. So I'll be in front of the charts for the afternoon session, 2, 3 o'clock, maybe 8 o'clock. Late in the afternoon, maybe I will have a time so to do something else. So we'll see. This is not a clean price section. This is chop. This is a complete chop.
Green tea or matcha.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean that's pushing olive oil in terms of impact. We know it kills, particularly in breast cancer. We know in lab tests you can put a breast cancer cell, you can drop a matcha, molecule onto it, you will literally see the breast cancer cell destruct.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they've done it in ovarian cancer cells, they've done it in brain cancer cells. It is kryptonite for cancer cells. So yeah, drinking a couple of cups of green tea a day or a shot of matcha a day. It's super quick, super easy. It's not difficult. Again, this is playing the long game.
Yeah.
You do it every day or most days, most years, long term. You can see how these people get 8, 9, 10 decades of life, and they're not falling prey to these illnesses because they've not let their body get to a place where those diseases can establish. It's not green tea.
This is one of the best nights out in London we've had. A live entertainment experience like no other. Combining the worlds of circus, burlesque, and cabaret. This is Sabrage. It's chaotic and interactive, and you can expect it all. From cheeky humor to pillow fights, drinks pouring from mid-air, live music, incredible dancing, and just a whole lot of fun. And pro tip, make sure you book tickets on the ground floor to really get in on the action. And when the show ends, head to the lounge, the drinks, and the after party, which is just as good. Honestly, everyone was laughing. Do not miss out on this. We've also got 10% off with our
Look at this market, man. Just when I was just anticipating from here, these are the obvious lows, and it did not go down from here. Just went right up aside from there. Like how? Just trying to say that like this is not at all an ideal trading environment, guys. It's better. I should have to finish this live stream now, and then we'll see how it goes overall in the afternoon session. I think I should have to come back afternoon session. Uh, yeah, a couple of things I really want to do right now. Oh my god, I have to cook my food. Hmm. We still have these obvious lows. That could be the reason for the market to be bearish, maybe continuation toward downside. If in the morning session market failed to go down to disrupt all of those lows, at least these lows and this blue area, then in the afternoon session I will be aiming for the market to come down to all of those lows on charts. This is what it is I will be looking for from the market right now on charts. And yeah, yeah, that's how it is. I think I should have to finish this live stream. Quite choppy, quite boring price action for the market till now. uh, I have not taken any trade this week. I have not at all taken any till now. There has been no trade have been taken from me. Yesterday we missed this $1,000 move from the chart. It was quite obvious. I could have jumped into this trade from here for just these low two local highs, maybe continuation. I missed this trade. We did not trade after that. I was just watching and observing the charts after that. And after that, we have seen that couple of, if you watch out just on a bigger picture time frame as well, these couple of days market has been completely choppy inside this overall trading range. If you start from such Sunday was choppy, Monday just went from there, was initially in the morning session it has been very choppy throughout the day, and late in the Monday we have seen downside projection and then went up, and Tuesday we have seen this went down from this range and this went toward up. So after that it's been very choppy. And Wednesday as well we have seen market is more of like chop right now. So that's how this market is performing right now. We are just watching and observing the charts right now. I have not taken any trade. I have not taken any trade yet. Just watching and observing the charts, sitting still, waiting for the market to perform as something, and then we'll see how it goes. How we'll see how the market will perform on certain levels on a price action. That's how it is. I am watching and observing right now. Uh, just keeping an eye on charts, doing nothing really. And I think I should have to finish this live stream now, guys. It will be very boring. I can imagine that. And we'll see how it goes, how the market will perform, and let's see. I'll see you guys. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be doing live stream again. Yeah, tomorrow there will be volatility on a charts. I would anticipate a volatility on a charts, and then we'll see if we can be able to try to figure out a trade opportunity tomorrow on charts. So I'll keep an eye on the market. I'll try to be remain focused on trading. By keeping myself, I have to become a better trader, better trader. I have to become better trader, better trader. So these are the phrase I always keep on telling myself to remain focused on trading and remain focused on charts all the time. So this is how it is, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Take care. Bye.